how to change app icon size on iOS 18. So if you want to change your iPhone app's icon size, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change app icon size on iOS 18, you need to make sure that you are running on latest iOS 18. To find out, just go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, click on General, tap Software Update, then hang on for your iPhone to check for available software update. Then go ahead, download and install the update, just like this. Then once you download and install the update, hit the back button. Then come back and press your iPhone home screen just like this. Then go ahead and click on the edit button at top left. Click on Customize. Then here, choose Large. Then click outside. Now you should see your iPhone app size increases, and this is going to hide the app label. To return the app size to the normal and pick up app label again, repeat the process. Press and hold the home screen. Click on Edit at top left. Then click on Customize and then choose More. So you can use this to increase or adjust the app size on your iPhone home screen on iOS 18. So that is basically how to change app icon size on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.